Hey guys, it's Javier. Today we're going to be making another cooking video, and today we'll be making some pizza bread. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright, let's get started with this hamburger bread or pizza bread, whatever fancies you. We're going to start warming up the oven to 425 degrees. Next, we're going to cook our meat. Like I said earlier, you can use veggies or any different type of meat, whatever you have available to you. We're going to add a little bit of oil and then our meat. I had around 3 pounds. We're going to break it down with our trusty spoon. It's time for seasoning. 1 teaspoon of salt, onion powder, pepper, and garlic powder, with a few shakes of Italian seasoning. Mix it in and continue to break down. We are then going to cut our bread in half with a serrated knife. Take the inner bread out without ripping the outer bread as best as you can. We are going to save the inner bread for the meat sauce later. Place them in a cookie sheet. I put a foil underneath so it's much easier to clean up afterwards. That's the tip of the day. Don't forget about your meat and mix it up. Once the meat is cooked, we are then going to add the ready-made sauce with a little bit of water. Make sure to mix slow, especially if you have a smaller pot. Let's go back to the inner breads. Cut them into small pieces and add them to the mixture. This makes the sauce thicker and more manageable. Once it has came together, then it's the fun part, the assembly. The mixture I had made was for 4 half breads, so I cut the mixture into 4. Then add the melty cheese. Be generous. Everyone loves cheesy goodness. When we are ready, we're going to put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is golden brown. Let's take them out. Make sure to let it cool. Then cut and enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the recipe. Let us know how it is and see you guys next time.